अल्लाह वाले जो अल्लाह से मिला देते।
13th Rajab al-Murajab, Urs Mubarak of Sayyiduna Imam Tirmizi Shafi'ee Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. Hazrat Sayyiduna Imam Abu Isa Muhammad bin Isa Tirmizi Shafi'ee Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi was born in 209 Hijri in Madinatul Rajab, Tirmiz city, Iran. He received his early education and training in Tirmiz, a renowned city of Khurasan, the center of academic excellence and educational services. He studied under the supervision of well-known sheikhs, spiritual guides. He sought blessings and favors from the noble muhaddithin, the scholars of ahadith. The glorious name of Imam Bukhari, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, holds a prestigious position among his teachers and needs no introduction. His teacher and Sheikh Imam Bukhari, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, stated to him, "The benefit you brought about to me is much more than the benefit I brought about to you." Hazrat Sayyiduna Imam Abu Isa Muhammad bin Isa Tirmizi Shafi'ee Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi is one of the most renowned and illustrious Imams of Ahadith and guides of the religion of Islam. He made several expeditions and traveled very much, far and wide, to collect Ahadith and sacrificed much in this way with dedication. Thus, he advanced and continued with the responsibility of narrating ahadith. He gave a clear image of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Ta'ala Alaihi Wasallam's blessed life with his endeavors, hard work, and enthusiasm on the subject of ahadith. Tirmidhi Sharif holds a vital, prominent, matchless, and popular status amongst the books of Sahih Sitta, the 6 most authentic books of Ahadith. In addition to this, it is from the Ummahatul Kutub, one of the main authentic books. Hazrat Sayyiduna Imam Abu Isa Muhammad bin Isa Tirmizi Shafi'ee Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi passed away on the 13th of Rajab al-Murajab 279 Hijri. His holy shrine is situated in Tirmiz, Khurasan, Iran, and is a source of blessings for visitors. May the blessings of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal be showered upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability by virtue of his high spiritual status.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।